get watch time also.
I think I should try that out. But the thing is what videos do I make? Hi Tatum, how are you Tatum?
Now you can make like the same videos you upload on TikTok, right? Ne? You can just do like in snippets. You take your videos of TikTok, you make it like snippets, and then you export it to YouTube.
Okay.
That's at least a start. Because then you go drive the same.
Yes.
You link your same. How can I say you take your TikTok video, and you repost it on YouTube, right?
On YouTube.
And after that, then you take your YouTube channel handle and you link it up to your TikTok.
Jamie?
Then you link it up to your TikTok,
Okay.
and more people can follow you.
Nice. And I see you have like YouTube, ne? I don't know if I see Instagram there behind you.
Yes.
Yes. Yeah.
Everything
And
and
Snapchat.